Hello, GAT takers. A set of new questions of quantitative section. Let's get started. Question 1. A cell divides into 2 cells every minute. How many cells will be there? 3 minutes. So after 3 minutes, if you started with the first cell like this, after the first minute, it will be divided into 2 minutes. So we have 2 cells. After the second minute, 2, it will be 4. After the third minute, 4, it will be 8. It will be double. So the answer is D. Let's move to question 2. A mobile phone priced at 900 reals has had a 10% discount applied to its price. Compare between the price after the discount and 800 reals. Now we will calculate 10%, which represent the discount from 900. If you want to calculate 10% of 900, it's 90. Just eliminate the last zero. If you want to calculate the discounted price, you'll just subtract 900 minus the discount, which is 90. It will be 810. So the price after discount, it's 810 reals, and this is 800. It means A is greater. Let's move to question 3. If the mean of two consecutive numbers is 90.5, what is the larger number? So the mean, it means the number which lies at the middle. So 90.5 at the middle. So we have 90 before and we have 91 after. And it will be 90 plus 91 over 2. This is if you would like to find the mean. So the larger one, it will be 91, which is C. Let's move to question 4. In the following rhombus, find the value of x. You know that each two opposite angles on the rhombus, they are equal. So this is 60, 60, and this is x, this is x. Their sum is 360. So it's 120 plus 2x equals 360. And you know that in the rhombus also, each two consecutive angle, their sum is 180. So this angle its measure is 180 minus 60, which equals 120. So the answer is B. Let's move to question 5. Find the mean of the values. 1.2, 2.5, 0.6, and 5.3. You'll just add all of them divided by their number. I will have 0.6 plus 5.3. It will be 5.9. And this is 1.2 plus 2.5. It's a 3.7. If you add it both together, it will be 9.6. Then 9.6 divided by 4. I will divide it 96 over 4. Then I will put the decimal point. 9 divided 4, it will be 2. And write the remaining, which is 1. 16 divided 2, which equals 4. So put the decimal point after one digit. So the answer is D, which is 2.4. Let's move to question 6. What is the value of x? In this question, we want to find the value of x. This is 70. So this is 70 because you have two parallel lines and you have a transversal. So both angles are corresponding. You can find the measure of the interior of this angle, which is supplementary to this one. 180 minus 70, so this is 110. And also you can find the measure of this angle. It's 180 minus 150, which equals 130. X is an exterior angle equals the sum of the two interior angles except the adjacent. So X equals 30 plus 110, which equals 140. Let's move to question 7. If 5% of faces expenses equals 8 reals, what are the total expenses? We have 5% of a number. X equals 8. You want to change 5 into 100 because you know that 100%, it means 100% of X. It means this is all of X, all of the expenses, the total expenses. So, you know, 5 times 20, it will be 100. You have to know that 5 times 20 equals 100. And also 4 times 25 equals 100. So 5 times 20 is 100, as we mentioned before. And 8 times 20, it will be 160. So X is 160, which represent the total expenses. So the answer is C. Question 8, what is or are the platforms used by 40 individuals? Check, this is TikTok 30, and Instagram, it's 40. Only in Instagram. Let's move to question 9. If the father was 19 years old, 3 years before the birth of his son, what will be the sum of his age and his son after 10 years from the son's birth? So he is 19 before the birth of the son by 3 years. So we'll just add 3. 19 plus 3, which equals 22. So the age of the father is 22. This is the father. And this is the son birth. Okay? So after 10 years, the father will be 32. And the child, this son, it will be 10. Their sum together, 32 plus 10, which equals 42. The answer is B. Let's move to question 10. What is the value of x? We have, this is a diameter, diameter. So this part represents half of the circle. Its measure is 180 degrees. So x plus 4x, it will be 5x. This is equals 180. Then divided both sides by 5. We divided by 5. 18 divided 5 is 3, and the remainder is 3. 30 divided by 5, it will be 6. So x equals 36.